How to remove age restriction on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you need to simply tap on general onto your account. Under the section, you need to locate restricted mode and make sure to toggle the button off. If you turn on restricted mode, this will help hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate and the settings only applies to this app on this device. Once done, you need to simply come back to the same section of YouTube home screen and go to profile again and then tap on Google account. Select personal info at top of the screen and tap on birthday. From here you need to simply change your birthday and make it to above 18. Since I have already set it to 18 and above, I don't need to change. And after that you can tap the save button and save the changes. Once you have followed all the steps, you will successfully remove age restriction on YouTube app. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.